were younger. You started
No,
very recently,
like
right?
3 years ago.
3 years ago.
On pandemic.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, when at what point did you decide? Like, what were you doing before? First of
I
all,
was a waitress in
You were a
restaurant.
waitress?
Yes, and I never expect to be a tattoo artist. To be honest, I
Okay.
was always into art. Like I used to be. I'm from Peru, so
when did you come to the States?
like 6 years ago.
Okay.
So I was working here like a waitress in restaurants. I didn't.
Yeah, just surviving,
Yes,
doing what
But
the
there
immigrant did.
I was a children book illustrator and a graphic designer.
So you
So
were
I have-
already an artist.
Yes.
Your whole life you've been an artist, or
Yeah, my whole life.
who got you into art, or is that something that you just innate?
Yes,
Okay.
since I was a kid.
And then did your parents sort of
They
embrace it and they helped
not
you with
really.
that? No?
They never liked that idea, like
Of you being an
Spanish-
artist?
Yes.
Okay.
They want me to be more like at the university and do something more, typical. But
More like white collar,
Yeah.
engineering, doctor,
Mhm,
that kind of
mhm.
stuff. Okay.
So
you were like, Mom, no, I'm gonna be an
yeah,
artist.
I'm the black sheep. So when I came here to the United States, I start from zero, like working in a restaurant. And when pandemic hit, I was at home with some friends, and my friend knew that I have a machine, but I never practiced. I got a machine like a year before pandemic, and I think I practiced with 2 orange, and then I leave it. So my friend told me, "Hey, you wanna touch up my tattoos?" And I said, "I don't know, because I don't know how deep to go.
Yeah.
I never do it in a real skin."
Yeah.
So she said, "Fuck it, let's do it. I don't care. I trust you," because they know that I know how to draw
Yeah,
and all
yeah, yeah.
that. So that's how I start. I tattoo the dishwasher, the waitress, the chef, people from the restaurant, but just as a hobby. I never expect to get money from that
Yeah.
or work doing that.
So what made you get a machine? Like what prompted that decision to say, hey, let me just get a machine? Did you have tattoos already?
Yes, I
You had
have
tattoos.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like too small. This one that I did it by myself, like
Nice. It's
practicing.
gorgeous.
And on
Let
my
me see
leg.
it. I thought she did this by herself. Wow.
Yeah.
But was this at the beginning or
Yeah,
this
at
was
the
later?
beginning.
Oh my
Yeah.
god.
When I just started the shop, actually.
Okay.
Mm,
Wow. That is stunning. I would totally get a rose like that.
yeah.
You know that I've been considering getting something on my head.
Wow,
I'm
I
still-
would love to tattoo your head.
Yeah.
Seriously.
I was like,
I
man,
need that.
because I have
as a
this huge
portfolio.
dome and it's bald, and I'm like, oh man, I don't know.
At
Maybe.
least the side.
Yes, like I was thinking of getting something ornamental on
Uh-huh.
either side, but I think I want to do this side of the neck first. That way I know what
Then to
space
know
I
how
have
to
left.
connect. Yeah.
Yeah, but I was thinking something like those mandalas that are just
Uh-huh.
very ornamental like that,
Yeah,
very
yeah,
beautiful, just going down the side of the
Like a
head.
good word.
I think that would be super
dope.
cool. I think you're the perfect person to do that for me. So when I grow
I
the
wanted
balls,
to do a head like.
when I grow
I
the
don't-
balls to do it,
Okay.
I'm gonna do it.
Okay.
I have to get past the whole like social acceptance. It's weird that I'm like that. I don't know why. Like I'm very like I don't know, like you always have that kind of like what are people gonna think? I try not to be like that, but I'm
Mhm.
also I think maybe just because it's the head, I'm like, it's such a big commitment and it's gonna completely change
Well,
the way that I look.
true.
So I don't know if it's that I'm worried
Because
about what people think or I'm worried about what I would think. Like I see it and then like I hate it or something like that.
I don't think you will hate it, because once you get a tattoo, I feel that
It becomes
it's
part of yourself.
that you
yeah.
don't regret unless it's a ex name,
Yeah, something stupid, which I have.
Mm.
Yes.
Damn.
Yeah, but it's okay. Hey, listen, you live and learn.